Tired of dealing with messy litter boxes? Finding the best self-cleaning cat litter box can be a real challenge with so many options out there. We've done the hard work for you by researching and testing numerous products to bring you the top 5 best self-cleaning cat litter boxes. Our list covers key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect one for your furry friend. From automated cleaning cycles to odor control, these picks are the very best on the market. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro. The PetSafe ScoopFree automatic self-cleaning litter box offers a convenient solution for cat owners, designed to handle waste removal automatically. This litter box, which requires no scooping, cleaning, or refilling for weeks, aims to simplify the pet care routine. Made from durable plastic, it comes in a one-size-fits-all gray design and measures 20.38 inches in length by 7.13 inches in width by 28 inches in height, with a weight of 16 pounds. The style is uncovered, making it suitable for various breeds and life stages. This litter box stands out with its crystal litter that efficiently absorbs urine and dehydrates solid waste, effectively controlling odors. The disposable tray, equipped with a plastic lining, prevents leaks, maintaining cleanliness. Furthermore, the low-tracking crystals, 99% dust-free and non-sticking to paws, help keep the environment tidy. These features collectively enhance convenience and cleanliness, making it an ideal choice for cat owners seeking efficient and odor-free litter box solutions. The tray can be removed and disposed of with its lid for hassle-free cleanup. The built-in health counter and motion sensors track how often your cat uses the litter box, providing insights into their health. This feature helps in monitoring the cat's habits, ensuring timely detection of any potential health issues, making it easier for owners to maintain a clean and healthy environment for their pets. Overall, the PetSafe ScoopFree automatic self-cleaning litter box is designed to offer a blend of convenience and functionality, though user experience may vary based on individual needs and preferences. Number 4. MeoWant. The MeoWant automatic cat litter box in gray offers a modern solution for cat owners seeking convenience and cleanliness in their pet care routine. Constructed from ABS material, this litter box measures 24.3 inches in length, 23.3 inches in width, and stands at 22.1 inches in height, weighing approximately 13.05 kilograms. Its sleek, modern design integrates seamlessly into any living space, catering specifically to cats up to 18 pounds. Equipped with advanced features, the MeoWant litter box prioritizes safety with 10 high-precision sensors that ensure immediate pausing of operations when necessary, preventing accidents with pets. The accompanying AirPet app allows remote monitoring and control via 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, facilitating real-time tracking of your cat's weight and activity levels. It supports multiple cats, but may encounter accuracy issues with cats of similar weights. Functionally, the self-cleaning mechanism activates automatically after each use, scooping and separating waste into an enclosed bin, compatible with various clumping cat litter types. The litter box features an odor control cover to contain unpleasant smells, supplemented by scented gel for a hygienic environment. Operating at noise levels as low as 40 decibels, it ensures minimal disturbance to both pets and owners alike. MeoWant's litter box features a low-entry design for older cats, easy assembly, one-click cleaning, and excellent customer support. In summary, the MeoWant automatic cat litter box combines innovative technology with user-friendly features to enhance the care and comfort of house cats, making it a practical choice for pet owners looking to streamline their daily pet care routines. Number 3. Whisker Litter-Robot. The Whisker Litter-Robot is a complete package designed for cat owners who prioritize ease and efficiency when maintaining their pet's litter box. Included in the bundle are essentials like the Litter-Robot 3, Connect Automatic Litter Box, a black litter trap mat, a black fence, a gray ramp, 25 waste drawer liners, and 3 carbon filters. These accessories aim to simplify litter management and reduce associated challenges. A standout feature of this product is its automatic cleaning capability. The litter box employs a patented sifting process to automatically separate waste from clean litter, eliminating the need for manual scooping. Users only need to empty the waste drawer when full, significantly reducing the time and effort required for maintenance. In addition to its self-cleaning function, this box also addresses odor control and litter tracking. The automatic cleaning cycle, combined with the included carbon filter, effectively minimizes odors compared to traditional litter boxes. Controlled via the Whisker app, This smart litter box provides added convenience and monitoring. Users receive alerts when the waste drawer needs attention, can monitor real-time usage data, and remotely track their cat's litter box habits through the app. Designed for households with up to 4 cats, weighing at least 5 pounds, 2.2 kilograms. Each, the litter robot requires adequate space for proper operation and should not be placed against walls or in corners. Overall, the Whisker Litter-Robot 3-core bundle offers a contemporary solution for cat litter maintenance, integrating advanced features with user-friendly functionality. Number 2, Casa Leo Loo Too. The Casa Leo Loo Too is an automatic litter box designed for cats. It offers a range of convenient features aimed at making litter box maintenance easier for pet owners. The product is crafted from bamboo and measures 24 inches in length, 22 inches in width, and 27.6 inches in height. It weighs 27.5 pounds. This automatic litter box is equipped with a cleaning mechanism that activates after your cat finishes using the box, sifting clumps from clean litter and depositing waste into a drawer below. This feature eliminates the need for daily scooping and allows most users to change the liner just once a week. Odor control is a significant benefit of the Leo's Loo Too. The waste drawer is tightly fitted with a lid and carbon filters, providing effective odor management. The litter box comes with a health monitoring app that tracks your cat's weight and logs each visit to the box. This feature has been helpful for many pet owners in identifying potential health issues early. The app also allows for custom settings, remote cleaning, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. The cleaning cycle operates at a whisper-quiet 30 decibels, ensuring minimal noise disruption. Additionally, the Leo's Loo Too is designed with triple-layer safety features, including radar wall, weight detection, and an anti-pinch sensor, ensuring the safety of your pet. In summary, the Casa Leo's Loo Too offers convenience, effective odor control, health monitoring, and safety, making it an excellent choice for cat owners seeking a hassle-free litter box solution. Number 1, PetSnowy. The PetSnowy automatic cat litter box revolutionizes pet care with its advanced features, offering a cleaner home environment and enhanced convenience for cat owners. Designed to address common issues found in traditional litter boxes, it combines efficiency with modern technology. The standout feature of the PetSnowy litter box is its covered design, which minimizes odor and litter tracking while blending seamlessly into any household decor. Equipped with a TiO2 photocatalyst system, it effectively purifies the air inside, ensuring a fresher atmosphere for both pets and owners. Setup is effortless with PetSnowy. Simply add fresh litter and let it handle the rest. The automatic scooping and waste collection system operates smoothly, sealing waste in liners for easy disposal. This eliminates the daily chore of manual scooping and enhances overall cleanliness. Safety is paramount with the SnowSafe Plus protection system, which includes 7 stages to ensure your cat's well-being. When your cat enters, the cleaning process pauses automatically, providing peace of mind. Moreover, the litter box measures 29.5 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 25.6 inches in height. It features a large internal capacity of 2.9 cubic feet, 83 liters, suitable for cats weighing between 3.3 to 20 pounds. For added convenience, the PetSnowy allows remote monitoring and control via a smartphone app, enabling users to adjust settings, view usage records, and track their cat's health remotely. In conclusion, the PetSnowy automatic cat litter box offers an excellent solution for maintaining a hygienic environment with minimal effort. Its innovative design, odor control capabilities, and smart features make it a valuable addition for cat owners seeking convenience and cleanliness in their homes. In conclusion, the range of self-cleaning litter boxes reviewed offers diverse solutions tailored to the needs of cat owners seeking convenience and cleanliness in their pet care routines. Each product showcased unique features such as self-cleaning mechanisms, odor control systems, and health monitoring capabilities through advanced apps. Whether prioritizing ease of maintenance, odor management, or real-time monitoring, these litter boxes demonstrate innovation in enhancing pet care experiences. While individual preferences may vary, these products collectively represent the evolution of litter box technology, aiming to simplify and improve the daily lives of both pets and their owners.